Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Precious Playtime. So it's summer holidays for all of us, and I have planned a fun activity for all of us, and we can grow garlic together and capsicum. So now I'll take a pot and place some gravels near the hole. Make sure you don't cover the hole too much. Okay. Now I will cover it a bit with some sand. Now I will take some normal garden soil and some coco peat. So now I'll be mixing the soil and the coco peat. For the coco peat, I used organic coconut coir fabric from Craft Seeds. And the tools which I'm using are two from the Craft Seeds. Now my pots are ready. So now first we'll grow some garlic first. And so we should separate the garlic pots from the garlic. And then this flat portion should go downwards. So I'll just make a hole. And I'll just put it inside and just cover it. now I just water them. Okay guys, it's been 14 days. I have grown garlic and capsicum and they have grown this much. Okay guys, hope you like this activity growing garlic and capsicum. So now there are many mealybugs in my garden. So I will teach you how to treat them with neem oil. Okay guys, these are the mealybugs and white insects. Teach you how to make the solution for treating the mealybugs. This I have ordered from Amazon. Neem oil is chemical free and natural for plants. Now I have taken 5 ml of neem oil in a measuring cup and hot water. And this spray bottle I'm going to use is from Craft Seeds and I have ordered it from Amazon. I'll open it and pour the hot water inside. Now I'll put the 5 ml of neem oil. Now I'll put the cap tightly. Now we will spray it wherever the mealybugs are, down the leaf and above the leaf. Hope you like this garden activity video. So please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys.